everyone, good morning. Today is going to be an absolutely mental one as we are on our way to West Wales to a car show some of you must have heard of. It's called Cruise Culture. So we are currently on the M4 taking a convoy down towards Cruise Culture. And yeah, come on the journey and let's see what sort of cool projects and cool cars we come across today. And let's have fun. Let's go! Welsh weather, but hopefully this should clear up. But that means when we get to the car show, we'll give the car a quick wipe to dry and stuff, but hopefully it stays dry for the rest of the day. We still have about 40 miles left, about 30 to 40 miles left. So yeah, let's continue the journey and let's get to the show. So Mr. Simonis, TikToker, so TikTok famous guys over there. You know, we have a really famous guy on our stand today, so we'll see how we kind of get on. But yeah, the rest of the cars are following up. There. So yeah. Waiting in the queue. Yeah, trying to get all passes and get inside. It's going to be a busy one today. It's going to be very busy. So yeah, quickly get in there, get the cars cleaned, and then you can walk around, have a look at a couple of cars and see what we are dealing with. But I need to get breakfast. I'm still asleep. I need to get breakfast. So Marshalls. Right. So let's see what the marshal has to say.
You alright, mate?
You alright?
Cheers, yep, there we go. Perfect, A. Just go straight ahead then, and the marshal will start guiding you through, alright?
That's fine, thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you. There we go, we are through. So now this guy is going to marshal us to gate A, B. How's it going, mate? You alright?
You alright?
Yeah, so we're going straight through on this side. A side, B is over there. We are on A26, which is this side. So, oh, look at cheeky little bugger cutting through. Right, so we are getting our photos taken here by this guy. How's it going, buddy? You alright? Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. So yeah, there we go. Got the photos taken.
Good.
How's it going, mate? You alright?
Photo reference card. Come
Perfect.
see us at the Blue Gazebo and have a good day.
Thank you very much. Thank you. There you go. So let's continue forward. Got the photos taken. Yeah, boy. We'll grab these photos after for you guys. But now let's go pack up on the stand. 5 miles an hour limits. Oh, we're breaking the law. Oh no. Right, let's continue. Oh, look at that. So there are more marshals ahead. Yes, lads.
Fuck, what should you on YouTube or?
No, mate.
I'm
What
on
is YouTube?
I am. Big
Oh yeah.
boys, come
What's
on.
your YouTube?
Do a fucking burnout then.
Go on then. So yeah, we have going that way. Right, mate?
Right.
So, yeah, it's going through. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. So everyone is just arriving. As you can see, it looks pretty quiet, but it's gonna get very, very busy. Right. Lotus. I think that is our stand over there. Oh no, this not. Our stand is over there. So we'll be parking over there, down that section. And yeah, people are coming from all directions. I think there'll be like different entrance gates. But yeah, let's go. Look at this one. Oh boy. What is this? Yeah, what's going on, lad? What is this? Yeah, you missing the fake badge though from that? Do you think?
Yeah, I think we are.
Yeah? Should we put one on today or what?
You don't think it matches the colour scheme, is it?
I'm sure I can get you like a bronze colour, same colour as your badge.
You can make it work?
Yeah, I'll sit nicely here.
Oh, it's rank, isn't it?
Nissan R35 GT. So as you can see, they're both, that's the PFL, this is the facelift, kind of, but this is just the 2010 with the slightly updated bumpers, and then similar ones, but I think that one's slightly modified, pushing approximately, I think is 1,000 or something odd bhp on this one. So yeah, semi-slicks, Toyo tires, beautiful looking car. Look at that, good boy, sweet. Which one did you have, this or that? And look at this geezer here. Yeah, but yeah, welcome to our fake Nismo 1002 horsepower. Oh wow, I want to see the actual figures and stats.
Won't open the engine yet.
M2, beautiful. Yeah, nice. Some action day. Passes. Ooh, slightly chipped. But yeah, I like the rear wing. The rear wing on this is quite aggressive. I mean, the angle of attack, if you're looking at the angle of attack of this one, it's supposed to be slightly down, but I guess if it works for him, it works for him. That should be slightly down. Looks sweet. General, normal, M2 right there for you guys. So yeah, beautiful cars. Lovely. I mean, the fitment on that is, but yeah, lovely motors. Lovely. That is specially custom made splitter right there. Wow, that's money right there. I mean, I could fit my fist in there. That is, yeah, nice. Woo! Almost dropping the phone. Standard one. I really like the color. The color is nice. The two-tone black and grey goes really well. That needs to be gloss black, and the handle needs to go gloss black. Then they stand out a bit more. Side skirts are missing, but that. I mean, it looks. I don't know. I'm not really. Yeah, that splitter needs to go slightly a bit more in. But yeah, let's continue.
There's more space on our stand. There's more space on our stand.
Yeah. This one, that's the one we raced last time. Yeah. So this one is apparently, what was it? He said it's about.
Fucking quick though.
Huh?
Quick.
It was, yeah, it was quick. What was he pushing? What did he say? It was about 700 or something, isn't it? Something like that. Boy, what do we have here? Look at this. Side exhaust as well. Nice. Nice. Look at that charge cooler. Absolutely mental. Yeah. Beautiful.
No, you're not.
Yeah. That one is. I think it's got the full lock kit on this one as well. Because obviously, if you look at the arches, that's been cut over there, so it'll have the full lock kit, most like a drift built into them, one of them ones. So yeah. Yeah, the other P1 is about 2 point something mil, so yeah, it's
I don't think you're going to see that in cruise culture in Kamara.
yeah. It's very clean though, if you look at it. It's very clean. That is nice for the Japs and JDM fanboys restoration project. That is one of the cleanest one we've seen. Nice. Impressed. Look at this. This is what I can do to my MX-5. A nice little turbo strapped over there. Should we do it? I think we can, because look, intercooler goes down there, pipes come up, and then we have the nice turbo set over there that we can slap on to our MX-5. Has it got hydro in there? Oh, it's a nice tab though. But yeah, definitely that would be something we'll be looking into then at some point. Yeah, just casual at the show. But you know what? We have to upload the flames map so people can see what this root boy is all about. They should be able to see the pops and bangs with the flames map. Why not? For the show, and then we'll take it off back to stage 2. But for the show, we gotta make some noise. So let's wait for that to finish, and then we will continue the work. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. This is mental. It's a good view though. I want to see they get crashed even more. And then that road way over there, as you can see, swamp thing. Eh, there's no one in there. Yeah, I want to see what's in there though. Probably extra tires or something. But yeah, Mazza. I think you know what we should have done. We should wrap your car that color. What do you think?
Yeah, put a nice lift kit on it as well.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we need to. That'd be nice though. Imagine how many monies went into that. Do you want to guess before we go down and actually ask them? Give me a figure.
So you've got to be at least 50 quid, like.
50 quid?
At least.
I'm saying at least about easy over 150. 150.
£150, yeah.
Yeah, 150 over there, right there. Right, shall we go down and ask them to see what the actual true figures are?
Looks like 2-stroke.
Yeah, and a Huracan Evo right here. Absolutely beautiful little car. Amazing looking with the dry forged carbon, as you can see inside. Beautiful. So this one has the exact same engine as my Audi R8, the 5.2 litre V10, and I believe this is. Sorry. Yeah. So this is absolutely mental. This is exact same as the one that we saw last time, traced. So you've probably seen this a lot around the South Wales area, this one. Then we have another in a grey. Which one do you pick? The white or the grey? But that one has the optional extra, the carbon fibre wing mirrors, whereas this one has the normal standard colours in there. So we have the Austins there. And then we have the mighty McLaren right here, as you can see. So let's walk around. Hey! So as you can see here, sorry. Mental, absolutely classic. Look at the size of this wing. I mean, the one that we looked at earlier, as you guys saw, the angle of attack on that spoiler, you see the angle of attack on that one, and then you can see the angle of attack on this one. So that one was spaced up a bit wrong, but this is exactly how it's supposed to be as the aero comes through, and then the downforce is generated by this But look at that. That's absolutely mental. Yeah, beautiful looking car. McLaren, one of my faves. Absolutely one of my faves right here. But yeah, the stitched McLaren. One thing we got to say about is the panel gaps. I think he paid extra for these ones. So there's not much there, but this one is absolutely incredible. Porsche. Oh, lovely. Now, if you want a car to launch and launch like a fucking machine, this is what you need. And look at the figures. Look at the figures. We are talking 595 and 800 Newton meters of torque. That is beautiful looking. Nice one. Come on, you gotta love a 911. Who would not love a 911 Porsche? Porsches are completely different breeds. Once you go Porsche, you never go back, is what they say. And then again, we have another McLaren right here. So look at the wing setup. Absolutely madness. Love a McLaren. The only thing is the gaps. But apart from that, 570S, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Don't touch the car though.
Beautiful. Oh, and what do we have here? So this is Mercedes-Benz E-Class AMG, and this is absolutely mental. Petronas. I think this one is kind of tuned up as well. Brabus. It's got a Brabus thingy in there. 4MATIC V8. So I view normal standard. I quite like the E63S, the little highlights and stuff that they're kind of going on. Standard Mercedes interior, nothing special about that. But it's a 4MATIC Plus. So yeah, these engines are absolutely, you can tune them up easily. Say you're looking at about 800 horsepower with these ones. So you can tune them up, really tuning friendly, a lot more than the C63 and C63S, which usually gives about 600. But this one, you'll be looking at about 800 horsepower from a stage 2 upgrade. And you can easily take them to about over 1,000 horsepower from these. Obviously, Petronas helmet right there, racing helmet, which I'll be getting one of my own as well for that one. Up in here. Oh boy, would you look at this. An RS Q8. Who needs a Lamborghini Urus when you have this? That is set up so nicely. Perfect. Version on a similar one. If you guys want to see this, go over to Car Performance and you can get one of those checked out. But look at the size of those fucking wheels. That's absolutely mental. Coming around to the Audi RS6. Now this is something else. One of my favorite cars. This is beautiful looking, absolutely beast of a car. An RS6. Who does not love an RS6 Advance? Look at that. Look at those wheels. Absolutely mental. Yes. Yes. There you go. I mean, this dropped perfectly as well. If you look at the actual clearance, clearance is spot on as well. R24 tech. You can see over there. And then from there we come across. I think we looked at this one earlier. Ford Focus RS. Vauxhall, and this is the one I mentioned earlier. So this one has a very, very special and specific paint. Who doesn't love a Supra? But look. as you can see, this is the 5.2 V10 as well. This one, obviously we have the new gen of this one, but this is still beautiful. I think the interior is slightly outdated for me, but still absolutely beautiful cars. Pulls like a train. We have raced one of these. If you go back to the YouTube and watch one of the video of this one, we have raced one of the Audi R8, the V10 version of this, with the A45 AMG. Natural aspiration. So amazing.
Things I do for the less fortunate.
You missed a bit over there. That's
That's the spit.
that's one way to take it off, huh? Spit on it.
Big fat greenie though.
Look at the size of this. Absolutely. Look at that. Mental. I think we have Whistling Diesel. Whistling Diesel from America. Yeah, that's mental. It's absolutely crazy. Look at that. Lovely, isn't it? Looking at this. Civics. That is mad. Now look at this. Some quality stuff going on here. Should have gone that colour. The colour is nice. Huh? Is it paint? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's actual paint. Yeah. GT Car 265 GT, look at this matching. So that could be the sugar daddy and that's the mistress. Yeah, mad. Nice, looks pretty stock. I mean, look at the pattern. That pattern matches the roof. It's like a camo, matte camo looking, which is both the same. These both matches. GTI Mark 5. Oh, nice BBS. Beautiful. Yo, safety car out today. Auto works. Now let's look at this. What is this bad boy? I mean, there's not much to look at in here. Let's move on. Chrysler, nah. What about this? TDI and diesel. Dead cool. That is sick. Look at that bonnet. That bonnet looks mental. That looks mental. GTI. And then Mark 6 GTI. These ones. Oh, one of my personal favorites. These ones. You can get some really nice pops and bangs and flames from these cars. So yeah, that one's that. Then again, nice color. Similar to the one that I'm getting on the A45, but that's more of a yellow. But that color is lovely though. Look at that. Is that a rock or is that that is a rock. Wow. Wow, boy. Lovely. GIRs, they're pretty quick. There's no word to it. Look at that. That looks quite smart. Lovely as well. Ooh. Looking at all these full bonnet covers, looks like we might be taking some inspirations today from that. Ooh, now we're talking. Now we're talking. GTR, a true JDM. This is not Nismo. This is no. I mean, I like the wing. The wing is quite nice. In terms of the angle of attack of it, actually quite nice. Yeah, that's actually can do some purpose, whereas some of the other ones that we've seen has literally no purpose. But this is quite nice. Beautiful carbon effect. Would have been better gloss black, but I guess it works. And then yeah, Red Bull. Cam performance. Yeah. Big KPO. Yeah. Mazza. Mazza.
I don't know, but it must be true.
She didn't deny it.
We are
Go there.
Oh yeah.
Sorry to get.
That looks very nice. And then Evos, you gotta love Evos. Mark 1 GTI, of course. S3. this? Is this like a ship engine in there or something? That looks massive.
It's like those
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cylinder.
Straight 6.
Straight 6.
Yeah.
Wow. That is massive.
Only 4 litres. Yeah, it's just good for popping the shops.
Wow. That's massive. What's the piston diameter, if you know?
Oh, I haven't got a clue.
Oh, you know?
It's 420 brake horsepower rolling.
420.
Roaded. So, yeah, it's not, and it weighs a ton.
Yeah, that's.
400
It's one of the
horsepower
biggest
truck,
6 cylinders we've seen, yeah.
Yeah, it's tough, man.
Yeah. That up's quite nice. Oh, same engine. Oh, we could have done that as well. And instead of over there, we could have just.
That's not BMW engine, is it?
Huh?
No,
that's the same as. Huh?
It's the cover on there.
Oh yeah, but it's the same engine that we got in MX.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How's that relocated?
Oh, that's the one.
It's they've relocated it.
You know, the photo that you showed me is this one.
Will you take a picture there?
Of what? Oh, you could. Oh,
Yeah, we can
that's
do
actually
that.
quite a nice placement
That's
as well
a
over
fucking
there.
better idea, isn't it?
We need that strut brace over there. That we can do anyway. And there's plenty of space there for a turbocharger as well. But then you have to go all the way down, come across that way.
That's not tabled yet.
Yeah, but that's not.
Yeah, what I'm saying
that's
is
smart, though.
standard. That intake goes around there.
Yeah, instead
if
of
you
put it there.
relocate you got fucking babe over it.
Yeah, exactly. Because if you put it over there, that was very smart. You can. But then again, but that filter's gonna go on the turbo over there then.
Hmm?
But yeah, that's a good shout for now. Yeah, but that's a good shout
Is that
though.
pipe left
For now. Yeah, I prefer this one over that one.
Yeah.
In terms of the location of that and the heat shield, that kind of
1.8 that,
works
isn't
as
it?
well. Yeah, for sure. I like the wrap as well. Is it the same
you got
wrap
those
as
things like with the air comes in to pull down the engine.
is it the same wrap?
That's paint there. Paint.
Oh, is it?
Similar.
Yeah, similar. It works with it.
See the overspray
It works
on
quite nice though.
Overspray on the fucking things like.
Yeah, it works nicely.
It's like that.
The rear spoiler. Buckets.
Retrofit electric windows as well.
Oh yeah, that's sick. A smart move
Why does it
though.
look like it's got so much more legroom than ours? Like,
Oh, because they've removed all the shelf and everything from ours. So if we remove all of that, then I think we'll be able to get some space from that one.
and the area, like.
Oh yeah. Ah, that's a
So,
smart one, yeah. That wing though, fuck me. That's madness.
Need to do some stuff like this to our one, like.
Yeah. And this one comes with leathers. Bougie.
Yeah, 11 seats in it. Look more comfy than what we got.
Bougie, yeah. I just like the lights on the Mark 1s. Yeah, the Mark 1, I just love the lights, the pop-ups. This looks quite solid. Yeah, it is. Oh boy, beautiful. For sale, if anyone wants it, 4,000 or nearest offer. Very popular, you know. I've never seen this many MX-5s. This is smart. This is very clean, absolutely clean looking. Look inside here. Open the door. Oh yeah? That is beautiful. Wow. That is nice. Is that tub linked to anything, or is it just like? That is. Oh, what are those VGA thing for? You know the VGA kind of port. What's that for? No, those connect over there.
It's for the standalone ECU.
Oh right, okay. Oh right.
Water methanol.
Oh wow, meth injection. That is beautiful.
Skid's lovely though.
Yeah. That is. Right, let's hear this.
I don't do the revving up thing.
Yeah. That is truly sensational. Wow. That is literally the cleanest MX-5 that we've come across today. Yeah, literally one of the cleanest MX-5s that's around. That is beautiful. Very clean. Did you do the conversion for the turbo, or you bought the vehicle like this?
I did the conversion. I built the engine, forged the engine.
Oh wow.
So it's over 1.9 now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ex-mechanic. So
Oh right, wow.
I've done everything. So 6-speed close ratio box.
Yeah.
3.9 ratio limit slip diff. Stage 4 competition clutch went in last week.
Oh nice.
2 weeks ago I put on the Willwood 4-pot Calvis big brake kit. 7-inch rims at the front.
Yeah, they're very clean, they're very nice. Yeah.
I roll the arches there, they fit a 9-inch rim at the back.
Yeah. So that was cruise culture for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that little show. It wasn't too bad, it was all right. But yeah, we have quite a few different shows coming up. So make sure you guys have subscribed to Cam Performance and hit the bell icon. We will also be wrapping the A45 tomorrow. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video, as it's going an absolutely ridiculous color. You guys don't want to miss this one. But yeah, until then, I'll see you next time.